how to make this trending group split video for Reels using your phone. Let's go. But wait, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such editing tutorials. This really keeps me motivated for making new videos. Now let's begin. Record 10 different videos of yourself in a group, each time changing the middle person. Now, open the VN app and click on this plus icon. Create a new project. Here, click on Stocks. Now select this black image and import it to your project. Now, click on this black image again and extend it. Now, go to the Trim option. Here, select this time. Change the time based on the length of your song and simply click on Done. Now, click on this option and change the aspect ratio of the project to 9:16. Next, click on this media icon and select Stocks. Now, select your first video and it will automatically get added. Now, search for the crop tool and open it. Here, let the free option be selected and crop it the minimum it can get. Now, select the part you want from it and click on Done. Now drag it to the top and it will automatically get stick like a magnet. Similarly, add the 4 other videos and align them beneath it very carefully, leaving no gaps. Now, you can see that it cannot further import any video. So, export this video as it is. And you will have something like this, where the top has 5 videos and the base is entirely black. Now create a new project. Select the video we just created and import it. Now, again import your other videos and align them in the bottom one by one. Export the final video, and that's it. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out any new video. See you guys in the next one.